Select an image in Illustrator and go to Object menu and down to Create Object Mosaic. Now I've got all the default settings except the number of tiles. Now I'm going to go with 50 and 50. You could go for 100, 100. And this creates rectangles. These are vector rectangles. Just click OK. Sadly, there's no preview feature. Not certain why. However, there isn't. So click OK and you can see the result there. You've got this lovely rectangular design. You can just about make out the old Maidstone Town Hall. What you can then do is you can go over here to Object menu and ungroup, because what I want to do is this, transform and transform each. And without the ungroup, it just doesn't work in the same way. So transform each, and you can see the result. Creates all these sort of different angles. You can just change the hip. Now you can set the scale. Now you could go for 100%, 100% horizontal, maybe increase it so you can make it go out like that, bits there, vertical. And again, you can modify it. You can just push it. Now, I think personally it works better if you keep the values fairly low and also change the angle there. But the key setting, random. Make certain you've got random on. If you don't have random on, you get a result like that, which is fine, but random on, click there. What you then do, also edit and copy, and then you can paste it back in again. So you can paste it. Now, it always puts it in a different position than you want, so you can just drag it over there. And again, object, transform each. Just go there again and maybe set the value slightly different, maybe greater, maybe less. And again, it's still random, click OK. And of course you can repeat that, maybe create an action with this. So edit, copy and paste again. Now, once you've created your design, you could do it, like say, quite a few times if you want to build up a very complex design, maybe add some effects in as well. So effect, you've got very stylized drop shadows. You could add all kinds of different things. Obviously you're going to be slightly slow, but you could do it. But you can also select all of these paths. So select all selected, then you can round them. If you want to, just go over here, just select the direct selection tool here. You've got corners. Now, I'm not certain what the limit will be. Maybe you can, it will tell you. It will not let you do it. So say 7 or something, or 8. You can, value. Just enter something, and then you can see now what you got is a nice rounded design like that. Rounded mosaic design. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.